The Regent Honeyeater is a critically endangered bird that is indicative to temperate forests and farmland on the southeast coast of Australia. 80% of these temperate forests have been cleared. In 2011, there are approximately only 350 to 400 Regent Honeyeaters remaining in the wild. The threats from deforestation, along with overgrazing of farmland and other species of fauna, including more aggressive species of honeyeater, such as red wattlebirds and noisy miners, are threatening the Regent Honeyeater's existence. The Regent Honeyeater plays a significant role in sustaining both the flora and fauna of the environment it inhabits. Because the Regent Honeyeater pollinates the eucalypt trees it feeds on by dispersing pollen over several kilometres, the Regent Honeyeater is able to create multiple habitats in various locations. This then provides the Regent Honeyeater and other fauna with future ecosystems to dwell in and breed. Conservation efforts to save the Regent Honeyeater have been in place for over 20 years. Taronga Zoo Sydney and Melbourne Zoo Victoria facilitate these recovery programs that have developed into a collaboration involving zoo professionals, wildlife agencies, non-government organisations and local communities. Their breeding programs have resulted in captive-bred Regent Honeyeaters being released into the wild. This process is extensive, with considerations ensuring they are disease-free and acclimatised to the new environment. Acclimatisation is achieved by erecting release tents in which the Regent Honeyeaters remain in for 24 to 72 hours prior to release. Tree planting and nest box monitoring days are held several times per year, with the next tree planting session being held in August and September 2015 at Lurch Hills, Victoria. Planting shrubs between the trees that have been lost to overgrazing ensures the established trees remain healthy and also maintains balance. Partnerships with local primary schools in New South Wales, Capertee Valley and Chiltern, Victoria not only make informed links to the curriculum but allow students to assist in recovery efforts by constructing nesting boxes and raising the seedlings of eucalypt trees with which the Regent Honeyeater is primarily dependent on for food. Efforts to save the Regent Honeyeater will not only aid in the survival of the Regent Honeyeater itself, but also help conserve eucalypt trees and other threatened species of fauna such as the brush-tailed phascogale, superb parrot, swift parrot, painted honeyeater, sugar glider, and the squirrel glider. These animals build their nests in the hollows of the older eucalypt trees or in the tree branches, which create optimal breeding conditions. The website for Taronga Zoo hosts an array of information on the Regent Honeyeater, the zoo's conservation efforts, and ways that the public can become involved. Clicking on the How You Can Help tab provides visitors with a variety of options to contribute to help increase the number of Regent Honeyeaters. One-off donations are always welcome, as are regular monetary contributions. Volunteering to help plant trees or fundraising on behalf of Taronga Zoo are the many options people can choose from. Similarly, Melbourne Zoo offers the same opportunities to participate in saving the Regent Honeyeater. Furthermore, signing up to receive their e-newsletter ensures that current information and events are received regularly. Lastly, social media is an effective medium with which to educate and inform people on the plight of the Regent Honeyeater. Like Taronga Zoo and Melbourne Zoo websites on Facebook, start a conversation on Twitter, share a YouTube video of the release of captive Regent Honeyeaters, or share information with business connections through LinkedIn. Let us assist the Regent Honeyeaters so they can continue their important work.